Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Yep, I'm in my bedroom. I'm kind of chilling out. I've been out in the hot sun. Wow. For many hours. It was morning, now it's almost 3. I'm going to show you outside what I've got done. Might surprise you. And I'm going to show you my helper. Yeah, my helper fights with me. But I'm pretty stern with it. I'll show you once I get outside. Alright, we're outside and we're close to my nightmare. So, all last week I've worked on this thing. And it's not anything I've ever done before, and it's been a challenge. I don't have help. At least no help that lives here. People at work, they got their own projects, and my best friend, she's an hour away, which is 40 miles, and I just don't have time to drive back and forth, unless she's here for a few days to give me a hand with this. So I'm alone. So, first off, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and try to watch this video to the end and share it with your friends. So, let me show you my helper as I try to get the rest of this stupid thing back together. That's right. A clamp and a piece of wood. Now I've had to replace the rim joist, which has been the biggest pain in my life I've ever had to deal with. Some of it I don't even have covered way down there. I still have to, I need to check on something down further before I pretty much take more of this trim any further. I still have to jack this stupid house up so I can get the blocks back underneath it. But for right now, let's try to get this stupid back locking thing for the skirting. I hate mobile homes. I hate them with a passion. And this is one perfect example of hate. I understand if you don't have much money, it's cheaper to put these things up. But if I had the money, I'd buy a house, fix it up, because it'd be a whole lot easier than this dude. See how flimsy this thing is? Absolute nonsense. Oh, God, this is in my way. Have you ever had where everything seems to be in the way? I had to move this air conditioning unit because, well, it was in the way. Everything seems to be in the way around here. But I got 2 layers of protection. The tarp that kind of goes underneath there. Well, the way they installed it, they had it go down on the bottom. Well, that ain't protecting nothing. I wrapped it around once I replaced all this wood. Alright. Now we got to go around this air conditioner. I moved it out. I moved it away. But something broke. I can't catch a break. I really can't catch a break. The, might not need this now. The, conduit, the fitting, stupid thing broke. Well, can't do much about that until I get more of this back together. And when I do that, I'll have to shut the power off to this thing and to the inside unit, so no electricity goes to this at all. Once I get that done, then I can take the wire out of the disconnect, cut the fitting, and glue it back together. There. So that part is done. But that's what I want to show you, how you can help yourself where you can. When you don't have any help, this is the only way I can do anything. That fascia was the flimsiest thing I've ever had to mess with. I threw a fit with the thing. I literally threw a fit because it made me mad. Trying to get it up in there, it was getting stuck on something for the life of me, I don't know what. And once I got it up there, put one screw to hold it, I used the board to hold it in place. The rim joist was even worse to try to put on this thing. Now I got a slight dent in my new air conditioning unit because I was trying to hold it up and it wouldn't fit. I cut it to where it should have fit right in, but for the life of me it wouldn't fit. Don't know why. But anyways, there's my helper. Don't cost me nothing, already had it, and so is the clamp. You just have to get it in the right place to hold your work. See you next time. Well guys, the AC disconnect where the wire, the terminals hook onto the breaker, it's broken, so I have to go into town and get a new one.